Среди гостей у нас сегодня присутствует международный эксперт Уильям Эджингтон, профессор Государственного университета Сэма Хьюстона. Уильям, как находите наш город? Вы не впервые у нас? Немножко вот поделитесь впечатлениями.
What do you think about the city? It's not your first visit.
Syktyvkar is a beautiful city, and the people are gracious and friendly, and I found all of the Komi Republic beautiful, just wonderful. This is my third visit, and each time I come, I'm very impressed.
С чем вы приехали? С чем хотели бы поделиться? С чем уже поделились со слушателями, педагогами нашими?
What would you like to share with the educators, and also what you already told them, and what else do you have to discuss?
Well, I believe this trip, what I really would like to share with all the participants, all the teachers and administrators, is that we're all very much alike in education. Educators in the Komi Republic are very similar to educators in the United States, and similar to educators in France and in Africa and everywhere else. That the challenges and the problems that we as educators face are universal, that we all face similar challenges. And there may be some regional differences and some cultural differences, but by and large it's all the same challenge. And that's why it's so important to have a seminar such as this, because teachers share with teachers, and that can only benefit the children.
How do you see our collaboration in the future?
Well, I have seen our collaboration grow each year, and in the future what I envision is more professional development. Would also like to see an opportunity for teachers from the Komi Republic to come to the United States and share and do professional development with American teachers, and for representatives from the Institute to be able to come to the United States and work with colleagues and counterparts there, because then there's only going to be more collaboration and more sharing and more exchange of ideas, and I think that again can only benefit the children.
Спасибо вам большое. Thank you.
Спасибо.
Очень рада, что смогли с вами пообщаться. Желаю вам успехов и дальнейшего сотрудничества.
I wish you the very best, and we're looking forward for our future collaboration.
Thank you very much.